there'll be no difference between you and that sofa set in his sitting room. It'll never change. And he knows it's going nowhere.
So you think marriage in a series ya Netflix, eh?
No. But go and do the right thing. Marry her. If you're serious, do we talk about that new law that does not recognize you as a wife, no matter how long you've cohabited. This morning, I've got a question for you ladies. Why do you live with a man before he marries you? How do you live with a man for 2, 3, 4 years and he's not marrying you? He's not proposing. You're just there like a sofa set. Nini. And how long should a woman wait? Because now it's got legal implications. Whether you like it or not, it's got legal implications.
So wamekutuma uulize hivyo leo?
No. Hakuna mtu amenituma.
You are really overrepresenting them, man.
Me, I want to know. When a man stays 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, he's not even going to see your parents.
Wewe unaelekea.
You, what are you thinking?
Wewe unaelekea wapi na hii story? Because I can hear. Where are you heading with this story? And people are living comfortably and
no, there's no comfort.
Kwa nini unataka kukoroganisha vitu
na watu? There's no comfort here.
Ngoja. Watu wako busy, wanaenda kazi, hawana pressure. Ni nini unataka kudhumbuzanya hivi kuharibu hivi?
Si kudhumbanizia. Listen, you cannot sit in a man's house as a lady without a ring on your finger.
Unajua kuna watu.
And let me tell you ladies, lesson number 1, you can court, yes, but put a time limit on it. Number 2, hold on. We are discussing the gospel here, the new gospel. Number 1, you can court, yes, but put a time limit on it. Number 2, never, ever stay for more than 2 days in that house unless he has put a ring on your finger. Otherwise, there'll be no difference between you and that sofa set in his sitting room. It'll never change. And he knows it's going nowhere.
So you think marriage in a series ya Netflix, eh?
No. But go and do the right thing. Marry her. If you're serious.
Do you know realistically, kuna watu jana wamepeleka watoto wao junior high. And that story is not on the table. Not because hawapendani.
But because?
That time will bring everything equal.
How much time is enough time? And that's my question this morning.
You know,
how long should you wait?
Unajua sasa unajiweka kwa position ya Mungu. That's what you're trying to do.
No, I'm not.
You cannot put time to something.
Ladies, if a man has not made up his mind about you in 1 year, you're not the one. I promise you're not the one. One day he's going to go out and meet a woman. After 30 days he marries her. Aya. Hey. If he has not put a ring on your finger, why haven't you asked?
You are a very bad person, man.
How am I a bad person? Why would you want to stay with someone not knowing your status?
No,
and let me tell you, ladies, having 2 children for him or 1 child for him is not a status.
Pahali unatupeleka Maina na watu wamekuwa
if you want a wife, follow the process.
No.
But then there's some men who've not even met your parents in 10 years. What are you thinking? You think he's the man for you?
Now unaharibu. Sasa wazazi unawavurutanisha unawaleta hapa.
No, he's not met your parents. You think he's the man for you, for real?
We na we pia. Unajua nitaacha uendelee kuongea?
No, I'm just asking. Maria. Kwani ni nini?
And so you think it's something ya kuamuka na kufanya just like that? There is a lot of
you brought her into your house, obviously.
There is a lot of sacrifice.
Like what?
By the way.
Sacrifice.
Hata kukaa,
hold on. She's not sacrificed her time and her youth.
No. You are all sacrificing. you know, hiyo ndio kitu nasahau. You are both sacrificing. And one day that man will surprise her. Ngoja.
Ladies,
I'm marrying you tomorrow.
Do you know what? Me, I've told you this before, and you've not listened to me. Now the law is against you. Now you're 34, 35 years old.
Stop telling them.
Or you'll be heading there. And you've got no ring on your finger. And the law does not recognize you. Why are you staying there? Hey.
You know, marriage is not a wedding, Maina. You need to differentiate those things, eh? Marriage is not a wedding.
But you've not even met her parents. What are you waiting for?
Kuvurutanisha wazazi sasa hawa wametoka wapi?
Give me a call on 0711-046-105. How long have you waited?
Don't like it.
And what are you still waiting for? I just want to hear from you ladies.
You know,
because your youth is going, if it's not gone.
You need to be
You've got children for him. You probably depend on his income, and if he leaves you tomorrow, the law is against you. So now where are you?
I understand the motive of this topic. I don't like it.
No, so you marry her then.
It will come. That day, and by the way, we are still together. We are peacefully. Unajua kuna kitu we have.
I swear, Kenyan ladies. 0711046105 is my number.
Unawaambia watu warakishe. That's what you're saying. Haraka.
Okay, ladies.
Harusi fanywe.
Okay, let me tell you what I'm telling you to do.
You are joking.
Right now.
You're joking.
If he has not married you and you're with him for more than a year, do this. You propose to him today. See what he'll say.
You know.
No. Just propose to him today. Tell him, sweetheart, we've been together a year and a half. We've got one child. Will you marry me?
I don't.
No, just ask him today.
Yani.
He will jump through a window, even if you're on the 5th floor. They will finish you. And I'm telling you that for free.
Hii vita unataka kuanza Maina.
0711046105 is why are you in a man's house and he's not married you? That's the question I'm asking today. And I told you, if you're with him more than 1 year and he has not married you, propose to him today. Tell him, I've been here for more than a year. You've not married me. I'm now going on my knees. Please marry me. He will take off like a bat out of hell. Brian McCalvist, engineer, good morning. Saying, Maina, it's not as easy as you think. Marrying nowadays is like opening an account for her relatives. Every time they'll be in need, niwe utaangaliwa. Me, I've stayed with her for 5 years. Na sioni dalili ya kwenda kwao anytime soon. What do you mean huoni dalili ya kwenda kwao? Hey!
Unajua, first of all, a bachelor in Kenya has more responsibility than a married man in America.
What is the meaning of that statement?
Ile kazi na kungoja hapa.
Why are you living with someone's daughter and you've not even met that person who raised her?
Ndio nakwambia kachukua moja ndio.
No, I'm asking you, why are you living with someone's daughter and you've not even met her father?
You know, at times you have to give time a chance.
How much is time enough?
Time brings everything.
Hey. Ladies, if he has not put a ring on your finger,
you know, you need to
ujue ni kutumiwa unatumiwa.
You need to be asking them if they are happy.
Happy what? You, when you look at your parents, why are they still together? It's because there was a bond that was formed when her parents gave your father the authority and the green light to marry your mother.
So hatutaongeleshwa hii wiki because of you.
No. Why are you keeping her there like a sofa set?
Wajua tujamalizana mambo ya school fees.
Where is the ring? Where is the ring? Hey, no, you. And now, ladies, the law is against you. So what do you say? Hello?
Hello, Maina, morning.
Morning.
Waiganjo hapa, Mimi niko na swali moja.
Uliza.
Maina, unataka nichukue naenda na bibi yangu kazini kwa amani?
What do you mean?
Lazima tupigane kabla ni mdrop.
Kwa nini?
Si kwa sababu unaharibu bwana.
How long have you been with her?
8 years.
Have you married her?
Because Maina, I don't think a ring will really prove my love for her. Solomon alikuwa na bibi wangapi? Alifanya harusi nao.
No. Do not go to the Bible. Here we are not. Leave the Bible out of this. Why haven't you married your wife?
Because Maina harusi ni ya kijiji. But sasa mimi anajua nampenda. So there's nothing like hata nikitoa hiyo ring hata labda itaharibu. Because now anaweza nikalia probably. Anaenda akionyeshana mkono kila mahali na picha yangu sasa. Anyway, Maina, good day. Umeniharibia wewe leo.
Goodbye. Hello.
Hello, Kingangi.
Good morning.
Mimi sitaki kuongelesha wewe. Kingangi.
Yes.
Uko wapi?
Niko hapa.
Hauna kazi nyingine ya kufanya, utoke nje hata uende panguze vioza gari. Huyu si mtu wa kuongea naye.
Haki tena.
Mtu anatumwanga na wakanga kwa ribu ndoa zetu.
Totally.
Mimi mtu kama huyo alitoka wapi? Sasa hii makofi yenye anapikiwa kwa hii nyumba akisema ati sijui Maina ni good husband material. Mwenyewe hana pipi. Ni nini namsumbuanga asubuhi kukuja kwa ripu ndoa zetu zenye zimekaa vizuri. Pesa tumepata ya January, pesa kitoko. Hii tuende tupeleke kwa kina pipi. Maina.
Ulisema uniongeleshi?
Mimi sasa nataka usikie. Sisi watu tulipata wasichana kutoka kwa disco matanga, hata hawajairudi kwao tangu tuwachukue kutoka kwa disco matanga. Sasa ni nini nakusumbuanga akili yako? Kingangi.
Leo umejaribu kututetea, lakini huyu ni mtu alilaniwa, mtu aliletwa kwa ribu ndoa. Wacha akaa hivyo, hata asipate bibi pia yeye ateseke.
Hello, Classic 105. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning to you, Maina.
Yes.
Habari yako?
Niko poa, habari yako?
Nzuri sana. Nimekuwa nikisikiliza. And I think what I've gone through ani mbaya.
What's happened?
I got married. Si hata I got married, but the guy hakufanya ile official, ile kwenda nyumbani, ile kwenda kumaliza hiyo mambo ya mambo ndio tuone. So ile tu ya kukimbilia kukaa na bwana.
So let me ask you. How long have you been with him?
I was with him for 9 years to separate.
And he has never met your parents?
He had never met my parents. Hata hakuwa amewahi kwenda kwetu. Yeah.
And what were you doing there for 9 years? Sasa, now your youth is gone. What are you going to do?
No, tunaanza tena vizuri. So now what do we do? Tunaanza vizuri. In fact, we had two kids. So unaanza tu vizuri.
Okay. Now can now see her life is gone.
Stop telling her that.
Her life is gone. Where is she going after 9 years? Seriously? Anaenda wapi? Nainywe. You can't do the right thing.
You know you are not God. You have to allow God to play.
You can't do the right thing. Someone has educated his daughter, taken her to school, reared her, raised her, taken her to university. Then you come and take, even without their knowledge. Unamzalisha watoto watatu. Huyu. What's your story? Talking about why you're still with him, and it's over a year since you've started living with him, and he's not proposed. Do you know you'll be there for 20 years? Then after 15 years, go and find out he had married someone. Kags Lawrence, good morning. And everyone listening on Classic 105 on the Thika Superhighway, thank you so much for the love. I love you right back. Gil Nasiali, what's going on? How long should a woman wait? Kanga Justin Kanga, good morning, saying the divorce rate in Kenya is going up in excess of 17% because of lack of cohabitation as a path to marriage. How long should you cohabit? And ladies, let me tell you, you'll have 1, 2, 3 kids for him. Your future is gone. Now you become like that sufuria in the kitchen. You're going nowhere. Now usidanganywe na mtu. And if you've been with him more than a year and he's not proposed, today you go and tell him, sweetheart, will you marry me? You see what he'll say? Oh, komaka. You'll be so shocked, it's crazy. Governor Kahu, good morning. You've got a message for men. You're saying, number 1, don't marry your mother. Don't marry to please your mother. Don't marry to please your friends. Nobody should force you. The woman you're marrying will live with you forever. Take your time, it's not a competition. Remember, the beautiful ones are not yet born. Unasikia that last line? The beautiful ones have not been born. You will never be the beautiful one, ladies. Na usijidanganye. Stay there. I love him. Nimemzalia kijana. Ataenda wapi? Hey. Utamuona kwa cover ya True Love ama Drum. And he'll come and tell you, kwani si umenizalia? That means I'm your husband. Shia goma. Neke na wewe ukora huko ginyoga kuwa.
Nilitoka huko.
Do kabia.
Hapana. Part of that.
Because he has not married Mwongeli. I'll be honest. Wacha nitoboe ukweli. Digithia. Goma. Ladies. Kwa mwerevu wewe. Maureen Zhao, the chair lady, is saying, if you dare propose to your man, that is the last day you'll see him. They are pathetic. Angela Modoni Nyakenya is saying, I am single. As long as hajawahi peleka dowry, I am single. As far as I'm concerned. No, which song is that? These are the ones who use you and turn you into a sofa set. Aki ladies, able think about your future. And now, the law is against you. That now puts double pressure on you. What the hell are you singing?
Wachana mimi kabisa. Kabisa.
Kanga Willy huyo ameanza kuimba hata hataki kuongea. Ladies, watch your back. Not everything that you see is real. And a man who was not committed to you has not committed to you. See it for what it is. You know you. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, Maina.
Yes, my dear.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, darling.
I'm telling you, these men,
Sana.
if you sit in the house, patiently waiting for him to one day propose to you, you are really beating a wrong, you are pressing a wrong button.
Amen.
I was in a relationship
Yeah.
for 2 years.
Yeah.
The guy decided he saw some potential in me and decided to take me to school after high school.
Yeah.
Took me to college for 2 years.
Yeah.
So there is that, I don't know if it is being young, so you are like waiting for somebody who's taking you to school, probably will propose, I'm going to marry you.
Yeah.
You wait for it. You
Yeah.
are patiently waiting. Sometimes you go to visit him.
Yeah.
You're like, Sasa, this is my birthday. I know he's going to propose it.
Yeah.
Hakuna. He's just there.
Hey.
So looking at him, I felt like he had emotional issues.
Yeah.
And I said, it is not working. Goodbye.
Yeah.
So moving to the next relationship I got,
Yeah.
I said, this one has to work.
Yeah.
It is either marriage or goodbye.
Yeah.
Then before even I suggest, like, I'm planning how I'm going to attack him about the marriage issue.
Yeah.
After 4 or so.
Sorry?
After 3 months, 3 months to 4.
Yeah.
He just said, Remember, Queen, I want to marry you.
Amen.
So there are these men.
Yeah.
Once a man loves you, he doesn't care. He doesn't have that fear of the unknown. How will it be?
Amen.
He just marries you.
And how?
And if a man doesn't love you,
Yeah.
my friend, you're going to stay there for 4 years. Unamwashia nguo, unataka kuzaa kila mwaka. You are like, wacha nimzalie kijana, wacha niongeze mwingine. You're going to marry me, utazaa.
Aki.
And he's saying like, I'm not sure, una vitu zake ana sign under the mother's name na uko hapo unazaa.
Amen.
Uko hapo kama toi, anasema ule ni mama ya watoto wangu. Hata he doesn't even call you a wife.
Bas.
So, these ladies who are there like, mnangoja, hakuna mtu atakuproposia. If he doesn't propose to you after 6 months, that is a quack, anataka umzalie, then it is goodbye.
Very good advice.
Yes, that is it.
Very good advice. How long have you been married now?
I've now been married for 7 years and I'm happy.
Wacha nikupigie makofi. Thank you
And
very
then,
much.
Thank you.
What is the problem with that? Marry her. What are you scared of? Put a ring on it. Neke. Ebu have the final word. Close our discussion though. My God. Aki ladies. Ebu chunga. You know, securing your future is securing your child's future. We need to understand that. Let it be absolutely crystal clear. Why won't men commit? That's a question for another day. Why are you living with another man's daughter, unashamedly unmarried? Have the final word. Hello.
Hello, how are you, Mr. Maina?
Good morning.
Morning to you, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
You are saying Aduaya, as if you are not one of them. Maina, so are you married? You are not married?
No.
So you should not talk about marriage, my friend.
Why?
You are not even a counselor. What you are feeling, what you are going through, ni mambo gumu sana.
What are you going through?
About marriage, you are saying, Goja wanaume kwanza wajitayarishe. Let men prepare themselves.
But for how long?
It will come when they are ready.
Do you have a woman living in your house?
They will not do the wedding, or marriage as you call it, but let the heart be ready.
So do you have a woman living in your house?
I have.
And how long have you been with her?
Well, almost over 8 years. If it was not today, I could not have done it.
If it was today, you'd not be with her.
I could not have done it. But let men prepare themselves.
No, why would you be with her?
Nishida too. It's stress.
Oh my God. Okay. So let me ask you a question.
Kiongeza hii mambo ingine ya hii economy vile iko na hiyo bado.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Why, if she's listening right now and she can hear your voice, well, how do you think she'll feel?
No, even if she's listening, she knows it is a regret.
She knows it's a regret.
It's a regret.
Guy.
Surely.
Oh my God.
So let men be ready. When they are ready, they will do the wedding.
Thank you.
Lakini ni stress tu putu.
Asante.
Okay, asante.
Aki, if you're that man's wife, I am sorry. Now I know the reason why they will not commit to you now. Because they regret it. They've lived with you so long, they're trying to wonder, how the hell can I get rid of this bugger?